Hi, I'm Sam from Mapro and welcome to the Crest, a peaceful gated development in Vale Formoso with 30 detached villas and 48 townhouses and just minutes from the Gulf and beach. Follow me for a brief tour of this fully renovated 4-bedroom detached villa with a pool and great views of the coastline. The main living area is open plan, bright and leads straight onto a sunny terrace. The kitchen is fully fitted and equipped with a convenient breakfast lids. Still on this level are 2 guest bedrooms sharing a bathroom that also serve as a guest WC. The spacious main suite is in the first floor with his and hers bathroom, a large walk-in closet and your very own terrace with panoramic sea views. Downstairs is another ensuite bedroom, a comfy and spacious second lounge with a handy bar to support the barbecue area, in addition to the laundry room and storage facilities. The garden is fully enclosed with a heated pool and a luxury jacuzzi deck. If you're looking for a full-time residency, a holiday getaway, or a solid investment close to all amenities, book your visit with us today, or check out our website with reference 3078. Thank you for watching.